Hi, welcome to the counseling appointment menu. There are two ways to meet with counselors at LMC, through a pre-scheduled appointment or a 15-minute drop-in. If the drop-in button is highlighted, you can click on that, choose a reason for why you want to check in with a counselor, confirm that your cell phone and your email address are correct, and hit continue to add your name to the drop-in list. If the drop-in list is not available for clicking on, that means there's not drop-ins available for at this time, and you can make an appointment. You can choose between online or phone or in-person appointments. You can also select preferences for day of the week and start time. Once you're here, you can see the name of the counselor, the day and time, and the type of meetings that are available. Again, click your preference, click a reason why you want to meet with a counselor, confirm that your phone number is correct and your email address, and click continue to confirm.